Are you looking for legitimate remote data entry jobs you can do from home, whether you're a beginner or have experience? In this video, we're breaking down real remote job listings, what data entry work involves, and how you can start applying today. First, what exactly is remote data entry? Data entry involves inputting, updating, and managing information into systems like spreadsheets or company databases. It's common in industries from healthcare to finance and often offers flexible work from home schedules. Why remote data entry jobs are popular? With the rise of remote work, data entry has become one of the most accessible online job options, especially for those looking to work from anywhere without advanced tech skills. Many listings require just basic computer and typing skills. Let's look at actual remote data entry job listings from Indeed. These represent the kinds of roles you can apply for right now. Job highlights to read, like bullet list, reimbursement specialist, a remote, data entry, admin support, record keeping, patient service representative remote, managed data entry, scheduling and eligibility verification, underwriting service specialist, support teams with data entry tasks, remote executive assistant, includes data entry, inbox management and research, customer service, our representative, remote, strong typing and grammar skills needed, legal medical record fulfillment specialist, remote, admin plus data entry duties. Skills and requirements you need. Most remote data entry jobs don't need formal degrees, but there are skills that will make you competitive. Essential skills include typing accuracy, basic computer knowledge, organization, and attention to detail. Skills to highlight: insert text graphics, typing and accuracy, Microsoft Office or Google Sheets communication skills, time management. Where to find remote data entry jobs? You can find remote data entry jobs on major job boards like Indeed, Upwork, FlexJobs, and more. Some roles pay hourly while others are project-based. Tips for landing a remote data entry job. Here are some tips to improve your chances of landing that remote job. Tips to display. 1. Polish your resume with data entry keywords. 2. Practice typing and spreadsheet skills. 3. Apply early. Remote jobs fill fast. 4. Tailor cover letters to each role. Types of remote data entry jobs. Not all remote data entry jobs are the same. There are actually different categories, and understanding them can help you apply smarter and avoid wasting time. Basic data entry, typing information into spreadsheets or system. Form processing, entering data from scanned documents, medical data entry, patient records and billing info, legal data entry, contracts, case files and documentation, e-commerce data entry, product listings, pricing, inventory updates. Entry-level roles usually involve basic typing tasks, while specialized data entry roles may pay more but require industry experience. How much do remote data entry jobs pay? One of the most common questions people ask is, how much do remote data entry jobs actually pay? The answer depends on experience, company, and job type. Entry level, $10 to $15 per hour. Mid-level, $15 to $20 per hour. Specialized roles, $20 plus per hour. Some companies pay hourly, while others pay per project or per entry completed. The key is consistency and working with legitimate employers. How to stand out as a beginner. If you're a beginner with no experience, don't worry. Many data entry jobs are beginner friendly. What matters most is how you present yourself. Beginner tips. On screen, highlight typing speed and accuracy. Mention familiarity with Excel or Google Sheets. Include any admin, school, or volunteer work. Take free typing tests and certifications. Things you should avoid. Be cautious. Some data entry job ads ask for upfront fees or look too good to be true. Legit remote jobs never charge you to apply or guarantee high earnings without work. Red flags to show. Request for payment. Promise of unrealistically high pay. No clear job description. Final takeaways. Remote data entry jobs are a solid way to start earning online, especially if you're just entering the world of remote work. With the right skills, tools, and job search strategy, you could be working from home in no time. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions about remote jobs.